Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. If you're new to DeFi and want simple ways to trade crypto and earn yields, this video is for you. Let me show you how Balancer makes it easy. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the MEXC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Let's dive in, guys. So to utilize Balancer, type in the website, which is balancer.fi. Balancer.fi. So once you're here, click launch app, then click connect wallet. So the next step is to choose the wallet you're using, and you'll be directly taken to the wallet where you open and connect. Okay guys, so if you're using MetaMask, just click MetaMask wallet and you'll be automatically taken there. Okay, so once you're connected, return to your browser and scroll down, and you could see thousands of liquidity pools with their respective details, 24-hour volume, TVL, and APR. Okay, so under details we could see that some liquidity pools are weighted, which means token are held in unequal percentages. For instance, this first liquidity pool is weighted, it means 80% AVE, and this, I think it's wrapped ETH or something, is 20%. Okay, so it means the tokens are held in unequal percentages. Okay guys, then there is the enhanced liquidity pool. This is an advanced pool designed for better efficiency, that is the ECLP. Okay, which means less capital, more trading efficiency, while stable pools are designed for tokens with similar value, like USDC and DAI pools. So if you're just starting, I'll suggest you start investing in stable pools first, and also start by investing small amount before moving to the ECLP pools. That's the enhanced concentrated liquidity pools. Okay guys, so to earn yields, just choose the pool that aligns with your investment goals, tap on it and click add liquidity. So assuming we're investing in this particular pool, all we need to do is just click on it, and then we click add liquidity. So, and Balancer will automatically input token amounts and show estimated share of the pool. Okay, so approve each token and confirm in your wallets. Remember, I told you to connect wallet first. Okay, it's the first step. So once you confirm transaction in your wallet and after investing, you receive the BAL, which is the Balancer pool tokens. Do not lose or send your BAL, as it's your withdrawal key. To exit, just go back to the pool, click withdraw, choose amount and confirm. That's it on how to earn yields on Balancer. To make swaps, just click this icon right here. Let's click back. Let's click this icon right here and click swap. So once you click swap, of course you'll have to connect your wallet first. So choose the token you want to swap. For instance, let's say you're swapping ETH for a different token. You just click on this drop down arrow beside select token, and then click let's say USDC. So you just choose the token you want to swap, then select the token you want to receive at the bottom. Okay, enter the amount and confirm transaction in your wallet too, and that's it. Balancer automatically finds the best price using its liquidity pools. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful, guys. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye, see you in our next video.